I'm going to show you guys the only way I know to make $120 with this scrap wood is by finding other money underneath it. Only way I know. Hey guys, this is Gus here in the wood shop today. I'm making this video, but as you can tell, I'm real new here to YouTube. Don't know a lot about it. Don't know how to do it, but I'm going to try. We do woodworking every day and have done it for off and on 40 years. I watch YouTube and I see all these guys talking about making $120 with scrap wood. I'm sure you can probably look online and find big companies that are offering small projects for $19, $20, and you can replicate them with stuff like this. The problem with it is that these large companies that are selling those items at $20, they have millions of people looking at the product every day. And out of those millions of people, you're going to find a few that want that product for $20. What the small woodworker has a problem with, we don't have a million followers. We don't have a million people looking at our product. So the chance of you selling that $20 item and selling 100 of them is very unlikely. I've been doing it off and on in the small products for the last 12 years. And I'm in a location where we have 500,000 people in our general area. I can tell you for a fact that niche item that you're selling for $20, you're not going to sell 100,000 of them. You're not going to sell 10,000 of them. You'll be lucky if you sell 100 of them. And that's over a long period of time. There'll be plenty on here that'll disagree with this. A lot of them are people that are on YouTube and make YouTube videos. A lot of the sales they are making are because of their YouTube videos. They've done a great job on promoting themselves, promoting their products. But don't make the mistake that you can cold call, go out there, make this product, and you're going to sell 10 of them in a day. Chances are you're not. Chances are you're not. Even if you go to a flea market that has a lot of traffic, or you go to a festival where there's a lot of traffic, there's only going to be a certain amount of people that are going to want that specific item. All I'm telling you is don't make a bunch of them. Don't think you're going to get rich doing it, because if they were getting rich doing it, they wouldn't be doing YouTube. I'm going to tell you, they wouldn't be doing it. The biggest way to make money is to come up with an idea or a way to improve on a product. There's a young man on YouTube that has made over $2 million with a product idea he came up with. Since then, hundreds of people have copied it. And I'll guarantee you they're not making $2 million with it. He was first to the market with it, and he's continued to grow because out of that $2 million, he retained most of those customers. And I'd be willing to bet you he would tell you he's not the best woodworker in the country, or in his state probably. But what he does do really well, he comes up with new ideas and is willing, or not willing, but able to market them. And he's very good at that. And he's done a great job. I have, in the past, came up with several what I thought were good ideas. Some of them played out, some of them didn't. You just never know. But even what I think are my really good ideas, I'm not a great marketer. I don't know how to market like this other guy does. I've sold several a month over the years, but never that big hit like he's had. So all I'm telling you, don't believe everything you hear on YouTube. Don't think you're going to get rich on one product. Look at different products. improve on it, or come up with a new idea. That's where the money comes in, is coming up with that great idea. You can learn to woodwork. Most of the guys on here, unless you're a true artist, and there are some artisans on here that are true artists that show their products and their skill. But most of them are simple woodworkers. It's the ideas that make you money. That's all I've got for today. Thanks a lot. Bye.